Hello, Kids 4. Where am I? Yes, I'm here. How are you? This is the class for Kids 4, okay? And what happens to me today? What is this? Why are all these things here? Do you know why? Yes, because we're going to a museum. Nos vamos al museo. Yes? Science museums with the dinosaurs, investigating different things, fighting in battles with a history museum, finding fuels and stones. So, welcome to the Museum of Kids 4. Well, are you ready? Do you like museums? So. Okay, you're going to like this one. Okay, very good. So, Kids 4, look at this. In the copy, in the photocopy, and in the book, we have these pictures, yes? And they say, what's fun about museums? What's fun about museums? Okay. And there we have some pictures of different museums. We have there a history museum. Yes? History museum. Here we have a science museum. Looking at the stars. There we have an art museum. An art or history also museum. Look, this history. Animals. So these are these kids' favorite museums. Have you got a favorite museum? ¿Tienen ustedes algún museo favorito? Yes? No? Maybe? Well, so here we have a question and it says, do you prefer museums about science or museums about animals? What do you prefer? ¿Qué les gustaría más? A museum about science or about animals? Tell me. Animals, about dinosaurs, about insects, about history. Okay, well then you're going to tell me. Me lo van a contar después. Vayan pensando. Which museum do you prefer? Okay? Yes? Well, and what activities can you do at a museum? Porque hay muchas cosas que se pueden hacer en un museo. A veces los chicos tienen la idea de que hay solo cosas aburridas. Y no es así. There are a lot of different activities in a museum. So now we're going to look at some activities that we can do in a museum. And if you have the book, para el que tiene el libro, you can go to page 30. And there we're going to see the activities that we can do at a museum. So, let's see. These are some of the activities we can have in a museum. Number 1, we can go on a tour. We can go on a tour. Podemos recorrerlo con un guía que nos va explicando. Number 2, we can study stones. We can study stones. Stones. These are stones. Yes? Podemos investigar piedras, rocas. Okay. Number 3, we can dig up bones. Dig up bones. Desenterrar huesos. Number 4, make a sculpture. Make a sculpture. Hacer una escultura, yes. We can copy a painting. If we go to an art museum, we can copy a painting. Podemos copiar un cuadro, imitar una pintura. Number 6, we can look at the moon. Look at the moon. Mirar la luna, yes. We can learn about planets. Learn about planets. Aprender sobre los planetas. 8, visit the gift shop. Visit the gift shop. Visitar el negocio de regalos, la tienda de regalos, lo más lindo. Number 9. Watch a video. Watch a video. Mirar un video. A veces nos pasan pelis. And number 10, go to the cafe. Ir a la cafetería, al restaurante del museo. Yes, to have something to drink or eat with your family. So look at all the activities we can do at a museum. It's a lot, isn't it? Okay, what's your favorite activity? The planets, learn about planets. Study stones. Okay, then you're going to tell me as well. También me lo van a decir. A ver, de todo eso, ¿qué es lo que más les gusta? Well, and imagine that you are planning a visit to the museum. That visit is going to be in the future. Si uno planea hacer algo, lo va a hacer en un futuro. Entonces, lo que tenemos que aprender es a cómo hablar en el futuro. Cómo decir lo que vamos a hacer. ¿No? Nos falta eso. Well, no problem. Let's see how we express the future in English. So, the future is expressed with these words. Going to. Con esas dos palabritas. Going to. That way, we speak about the future. Así vamos a hablar del futuro. Miren esto. Si yo les digo, I am going to visit a museum tomorrow. I am going to visit a museum tomorrow. Yes, what is my plan? ¿Qué estoy planeando hacer ahí? Visitar un museo tomorrow. Tomorrow, mañana. Very good, okay? He, si quiero hablar de un amigo, he is going to watch a video tomorrow. He is going to watch a video tomorrow. Yes, él va a mirar un video mañana. She is going to go to a cafe tomorrow. She is going to go to a cafe tomorrow. Okay, these are all future sentences. Las tres nos hablan del futuro, de lo que voy a hacer yo, él o ella. And if I'm not going to do something, if I want to use the negative to say no, para decir lo que no voy a hacer, very simple. I am not going to look at the moon. I am not going to look at the moon. No voy a mirar la luna. Or he isn't going to make a sculpture. He isn't going to make a sculpture. Or she isn't going to study stones. She isn't going to study stones. Okay. So, this is the future. With going to. With going to. Con esto armamos, ¿sí? Una oración referida al futuro. I am going to, and the action, visit a museum. He is and she is going to. Okay. Yes? Okay? Yes? Very good. So now, let's see some more examples. Unos ejemplos más, okay? A ver si se entienden. So, if we continue with the copies I sent you, continuamos con las copias que les mandé. There we have a table, tenemos ahí una tablita, with some examples. I'm going to watch a video tomorrow. I'm going to watch a video tomorrow. Or he or she is going to go to a cafe tomorrow. Or she is going to go on a tour tomorrow. Okay. Lo que yo, él y ella vamos a hacer tomorrow, mañana. And here we have the same thing in the negative. I'm not going to watch a video tomorrow. I'm not going to watch a video tomorrow. Or He isn't going to go to a cafe tomorrow. Or she isn't going to go on a tour tomorrow. Ok, y ahí lo que no vamos a hacer. So, finally, we have here a game, an activity, where you have to tell me what Suki, Lulu, and Ivy are going to do. ¿Sí? Vamos a decir qué van a hacer ellos. Por ejemplo, Suki is going to look at the moon, and go to a cafe. Okay. Suki is going to look at the moon, a mirar la luna, and go to the cafe. Lulu is going to watch a video and go to a cafe. Lulu is going to watch a video and go to a cafe. Ivy is going to look at the moon and watch a video. Ivy is going to look at the moon and watch a video. Okay, very good, kids 4. Excellent. Well, so now we are going to put all this into practice. Vamos a poner en práctica. If you have the copies, el que pudo tener estas copias, you do it. If not, you can do it in your notebook or in a sheet of paper and then you paste it in the notebook. El que no tiene las copias lo puede hacer en un papelito y después lo pegamos. So here, in exercise 1, we have to complete the phrases with all the vocabulary that we studied today. Number 1, study. Stones. Study stones. Okay, you're going to complete the phrase. Van a completar la frase que yo leo. Number 2, dig up. Vamos, chequen, miren. Dig up. Bones, very good. Dig up bones. Van a desenterrar huesos. Number 3, go to. The cafe, very good. Number 4, make a sculpture, yes. Number 5, watch the moon, yes. No, I'm sorry. Watch a video. La mí se equivocó. Watch a video. Number 6. Visit. The gift shop. Yes. Number 7. Learn about. Planets. Perfect. 8. Look at the moon. Yes. 9. Copy a painting. Perfect. And 10. Go on. A tour. Perfect, kids 4. Excellent. Well, and now using that vocabulary, you have to complete here the questions. Do you want to learn about planets? Well, yes or no. Number 2. Do you want to? ¿Y ahí qué están haciendo? Yendo al negocio de regalos. Bueno, you write there. Do you want to? ¿Qué es lo que pregunta si queremos hacer? Hacer una visita guiada. And do you want to? Okay, so you complete and you say yes or no. And to finish this, to finish, here you have to write sentences with going to or isn't going to. For example, Jasmine, here in the first pictures, Jasmine is going to copy a painting. Is, perché sta tildata. And Jasmine isn't going to watch a video. Isn't going to watch a video because we have a cross. Tiene una cruz. Okay. And in number 4, you have to look and write what Lisa is going to do this week. ¿Qué es lo que va a hacer Lisa? For example, on Monday, look, Monday, Lisa is going to watch a video. On Monday, Lisa is going to watch a video. Number 2, y ahí dijo alguno de los días y pongo o qué va a hacer o qué no va a hacer. Yes? Okay. Is it clear? It's not difficult. No, the future is not difficult. Very good, kids 4. Okay? Bueno, igual les dejo de tarea pensar qué museo les gusta, cuál es su favorito, por qué, qué les gusta hacer en el museo. You're going to tell me all that in English. Okay? Me lo van a tener que contar. Right? About your favorite museum. Yes? Well, okay, so this is the end of this class. Yes? I hope you've enjoyed it as I have. And well, see you next week. Bye bye, kids 4.